Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy UGC in Roblox. User-generated content, or UGC, allows creators like you to design and sell virtual items within the Roblox platform. We will cover straightforward methods to help you start creating and submitting your own items, focusing on efficiency and accessibility. You do not need advanced skills to begin, just a passion for creation and a willingness to learn the basic steps. To make UGC creation easy, start with simple items that are often in high demand. Think about basic accessories such as hats, glasses, or simple clothing textures. Leverage Roblox Studio's intuitive tools for initial design and assembly. Aim for a low polygon count, ideally under 4,000 polygons for accessories, to ensure your items load quickly and perform well across all devices, enhancing user experience. Once your item is ready, the submission process is straightforward. First, double-check that your creation fully complies with Roblox's community standards and terms of service to avoid rejection. Then, navigate to the creator dashboard and follow the clear steps to upload your asset. After submission, your item will enter a moderation queue. Approval usually takes anywhere from 1 to 3 days, so patience is key. After your UGC is approved, it is time to promote it. Set a competitive price for your item, perhaps starting with a few hundred Robux, to encourage initial purchases. Share your creations across various social media platforms and within Roblox groups to reach a wider audience. Actively engage with the Roblox community, listen to feedback, and consider making small adjustments to improve your items and increase their appeal to potential buyers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.